Good morning to everybody. We are doing the exercise 11.4. This is the 10th question. In the given figure, find the area of the shaded portion. This is the area of the shaded portion. It's given here. Am I right here? This is the area of the shaded portion. So, what you can do now? How will you find the area of the shaded portion? Yes, this is a rectangle. It is given. In the given rectangle, if you are subtracting this area of two triangles, you will get the area of what? Shaded region. You will get the area of the shaded region. So what you can do now? First we can find the areas of these two triangles. What is the area of the triangle formula? Half into base into height. Yes. Now, first you find area of triangle AEF equal to half into base. Here it is a rectangle, so therefore each angle is 90 degree here. So you can consider any one of them as a base. Either you can take AE as a base or AF as a base. Here I am taking like AE into AF. So that is half into AE is 10. AF is 6. 3 2s are 6. 10 3s are 30 centimeter square. Am I right here? So similarly you can find the area of triangle BEC now. Find that. Area of triangle BEC. Area of triangle BEC, that is equal to half into, what is the base here? Yes, you get 8. Height is what? 10. 1 2 is to 5 2 are 10. 5 8s are how much here? 40 centimeter square. Am I right? Yes. Now what is the area of the rectangle? Product of the two adjacent sides. That is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle ABCD, that is equal to product of the two adjacent side. So what is the length here? Length is 10 plus 8 is 18 into breadth is what? BC 10. AB into BC. AB into BC. Okay, always first you write length into breadth square units. Length is what? AB, breadth is what? BC. That means AB is 18, BC is 10. AB is 10 plus 8 is 18. Otherwise, here DC it is given that 18. Am I right? Yeah. So 18 into 10 is 180 centimeter square. Now what are we trying to find? Here we are trying to find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Area of the rectangle minus areas of these two triangles. What is the area of the rectangle? 180 minus of area of triangle is 30 plus 40, 30 centimeter square plus 40 centimeter square. So it gives 180 minus 30 plus 40 is 70. So 180 minus 70 is 110 centimeter square, which is the area of the shaded region. Are you getting there? Which is the area of the shaded region. Then look at the second question. Then it is given like a square, I think so. It's a square. Yes. Second part. Shall we move here? Yes. Second question. Tenth question. Second part. Tenth question. Second part. That square is given. It's a square. PQRS. PQRS. U T. Here it is 10 centimeter. It is also 10 centimeter. It is 20 centimeter. Then here ST is also 10 centimeter. Okay, okay dear. Then the PQRS is a square. It is alright. PQRS is a square. So this is the shaded region. This is the shaded region. So better what we can do, from this area of square, if you are subtracting the area of these three triangles, am I right, Kana? If you are subtracting this area of these three triangles, we will get the area of the shaded region. Am I right? Okay. So first we will find the areas of these three triangles. That is area of triangle. Area of triangle STU. STU. That is equal to half into base. Base is SU and height is ST. That is half into SU is 10. ST is also 10. 1 2 is to 5 to 10. So 5 tens of 50 centimeter square. Am I right here? 5 tens of 50 centimeter square. Then second part. Area of triangle QRU. That is already URQ. Area of triangle URQ. Half into base UR. Height RQ. Half into UR into RQ. That is equal to half. UR is how much, dear? UR is 10. RQ is 20. So 1 2 is to 10 to 20. That is 10 tens of 100 centimeter square. It is what? Area of triangle URQ. That is 100 centimeter square. So you have to find the area of triangle PQT now. Area of triangle PQT is nothing but area of triangle PQT equal to half into base PQ height PT. So half into, what is PQ? PQ is 20 because it is a square, all sides are equal. So 20 into PT. The whole thing is 20. PS is 20. Here TS is given 10. So PT will be 10. So 1 2 is to 10 2 is 100. 10 tens are 100. 100 centimeter square. Am I right here? Now, area of a square PQRS. Area of square PQRS. Area of square PQRS. That is, what is the side of a square? 20. So 20 into 20. That is equal to 400 centimeter square. 20 to 20 is what? 400 centimeter square. Now what are you trying to find? Here you are trying to find the area of the shaded region. Therefore, area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region is equal to 400 minus of 50 plus 100 plus 100, which is equal to 400 minus 250, which is equal to 150 centimeter square. Am I right, dear? Which is the required area of the shaded region. Right. So we have to do the one more question. Question number 10. We will see in the next video. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.